In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao 1688 to English. By the end, you'll know exactly where the language setting lives and how to switch the interface to English or the international version, so browsing and shopping feel much easier. Start by opening the Taobao app and make sure you're signed in. Some menus only appear for logged in users, so confirming your login first helps everything show up as expected. Once the app is open, head to My Taobao, which is the icon at the bottom right. You may see it labeled in Chinese as Wo De Taobao. This takes you to your personal profile area where all your account tools live. From your profile page, look for the settings icon. Depending on your app version, it may appear as a small gear or as 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap that to open the settings menu. Inside, find and select General Settings, shown as Tong Yang. This section controls app-wide preferences, including language. Next, tap Language, which appears as Yuyan. This is the dedicated area for switching what the interface displays. Here, you'll usually see an option for English, labeled Yingwen. On some versions, you may instead see International Version or International Mode, shown as Guojiban. If English is available, choose that. If you see International Version or Global Version instead, select it. This mode is designed for users outside mainland China and generally switches most interface text and navigation to English or a globally friendly layout. After you've made your choice, fully close the app and reopen it so the change takes effect. On most phones, that means swiping Taobao away from your recent apps, then launching it again. When the app reloads, you should notice the main menus, buttons, and key screens displaying in English or the international layout. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the language option, double check that you're in the profile area before opening settings, since the language control is nested there. If English or international version isn't listed, updating the app to the latest version often helps. Also, keep in mind that product titles and descriptions come from sellers, so some item text may still appear in Chinese even after you switch the interface language. That's it. Open Taobao, go to My Taobao, enter Settings, choose General, tap Language, select English or